So hi, I thought I would introduce myself. My name is Nancy and this is my farm life. So I will be walking around introducing my farm animals. Oh, hi Rosianna. So yeah, so like I was saying, so this is Cinder behind me as she's fogging up my glasses. Hi. And I'm trying to get Mr. Pony Timber in the back. Say hi to Timber the pony. Oh, hi. Thank you. You're sweet. But you're still fogging up my glasses. We're trying to get Pony in the back. Hey, we're trying to get Pony in the back. He's like, nope. I want to be a star. Now Daddy's too loud. So I thought I'd move around where hopefully it's not as noisy. That tractor's pretty loud when you're trying to videotape. And this is our new spring/summer project. Hopefully we can get it done sooner than later. We're gonna put in a small little horse riding arena, make it nice and easier for the kids. Looking forward to it. Looks like he's using little Yanny, a little 424 Yammer, to do some skidding today. That little machine, tell ya, it's a jack of all trades. It does just about everything. Best investment ever. Even though he bought it for me, but that's okay. I'll let him use it. That little tractor has done. That little tractor, tell ya, does quite a bit around here. So right behind here is Miss Paisley, yes. She is my 9-year-old quarter horse, and she's a red roan, and she thinks I have a treat, which I don't. Yeah, I don't have a treat. Sorry, girl. Are we itchy? Itchy, itchy? Still pretty loud, so I'll try and move on. See if it's a little quieter up here. And now I'm just walking up to our other riding area. Things are slowly melting. Can't wait. Living here in northwestern Ontario along the Lake Superior shores. Winters last pretty long around here. But that's okay, we enjoy every minute of it. Okay, maybe not that super cold stuff, but we definitely enjoy our summers. Work in progress on the riding area. Slowly getting there. Slowly. So the riding area is coming along just nicely. Got the stumps out. Gotta get these boulders out. Rosianna. Rosianna. Psst, psst. Come back here. Good morning, Rooster. So here we are at the site of the new riding area. Looking forward to it. It's coming along. Oh, the tree stumps are almost out. And that's the machine that's doing it. The old cat bulldozer. Thank God we have that around. It's going to clean this up pretty nicely. Right, Rosianna? Right? Psst. Yeah? Yeah, it's going to be lots of fun here. Can't wait. And here, let me introduce you to my two Izzies. Yep, they're both named Izzy. So we have Palomino Izzy and Chestnut Izzy. They are my good old reliable horses. They're the ones that we do all our horse lessons with or trail riding. Yep, they're my golden girls. Hey girls. So now we're gonna walk down. Oh, wait a minute. We're gonna stop at the goats. Hi goaties. There's mama and baby. Oh, and my goat rooster. Yep, and we have my goat rooster. All right, let's continue on. And this is Paisley, my goofy horse. Yes, she is my goofy horse. Absolutely. I got no treats. Hey Paisley, you're such a good girl. Hey, good girl, say hi to the camera. Hey. Well, isn't this a perfect way to end the day, right, Rosianna? What do you think? Perfect way to end the day? Well, if you like what you saw, don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below if there's anything you want to see around the farm. And have a great day, guys. Go ahead, Rosianna. You got something to say? Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. Is that it? You all done? No, what more?